Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me. If you're new here, be sure to hit that red subscribe box and ring the little bell next to it. You'll receive notifications when I upload a new video. If you've been here before, then thank you so much for coming back. I'm here to share with you my Paper Pumpkin subscription box. This is a monthly subscription box put out by the company Stampin' Up. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and this box has so much fun goodness each and every month. Let me just grab a drink. This is the box for September 2020, and the name of it is called Hello Pumpkin. How fun is that? And we have a special box this month. It's all decorated in the Calypso Coral. Is it Calypso Coral? No, it's not Calypso Coral. Hold on, let me rewind that. It is Cajun Craze. I had to look at my ink pads to confirm that. Cajun Craze. The boxes are very sturdy. When you get them in the mail, they're all wrapped in cello, so your box comes in perfect condition, can be reused and repurposed. Makes a great gift for just $22 a month. If you subscribe, you can do it by 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, or 12 month. You save a little money by doing the multiple month subscriptions, and I highly recommend it. If by any chance you need to put it on hold, by the 10th of the month, just let them know and they will put it on hold, and then it reverts back to your receiving it the next month. So let's take a look inside. Ooh, here we have a little sneak peek as to what is coming for October. Joy to the World. And look how beautiful that box is. And it's just looking like it's starting to become a little bit of Christmas. So make sure you subscribe if you have not yet by the 10th of October in order to be guaranteed to receive this limited box. And I say limited because they only make so many, and when they're gone, they are gone. In the past, they've had refills available, but lately these boxes have been so popular that there's just barely enough to go around. So don't miss out. Subscribe today. So let's see what we have. We have a little ink spot, and this is the Cajun Craze. So it coordinates with the box. So every month you will get a different ink spot. These are our miniature size ink pads. You can use our refills on them. They are great for traveling. They're great for the kiddos to use, or they're great if you want to build your collection of ink pads. So next up we have our stamp set. I'm going to pull this over so we can get a better look at it. So it looks like we have a witch's hat with a pumpkin. There's a little pumpkin face that you can stamp right on that pumpkin. We have a larger pumpkin face with a larger pumpkin. We have some leaves, different assorted leaves, a little flower. We have a happy Halloween, give thanks, hello pumpkin, trick or treat, spooky and sweet. So how cute is that? And the only way to get these stamps are through Paper Pumpkin. So they're not available for purchase, only for subscribers. So they make a great way to save up and have a whole selection of fun stamp sets that you can't get anywhere else. So it comes to you all wrapped up in cute little tissue paper, which you can repurpose as well. And let's take a look inside to see what we have. Sorry, between the tissue paper and my dog barking, I apologize. So I'm going to take another drink. Very thirsty, very dry today. Okay, so here we are. Let me grab the stamp set, so in case we need to refer to that, I will put that right here for you to take a gander at, along with the ink spot. So here we are, Hello Pumpkin instructions, the September 2020, and it looks like we are creating some fun little treat boxes. I apologize again for the dog. Apparently there's someone outside walking down the street, or a leaf might be blowing by. You just never know. So all the supplies included in here are supplies for 20 cracker boxes. But that doesn't mean you only have to make cracker boxes. Be sure to come back. I will be doing another video or maybe sharing it on my upcoming Facebook Lives over on my Facebook page at Stampin' Sue Creates to show you some alternative ideas, because maybe you're not, you don't need 20 treat little boxes. So let's pop this baby open and let's see what we've got for this month. So this does come every month. You never know. We got a little floater leaf in there trying to get away. You never know what you're going to get. Sometimes you get a little clue like I showed you for next month, so we already know. Next month, they did say, is going to be strictly cards. So get a head start on your holiday card making. Get some fun products to try out. Now, a lot of these products, majority of them, you can't get anywhere else but through the subscription box, so keep that in mind. So here we have some white and black baker's twine. Let's open this up so we get a better look and see what else we have. We have glue dots, so they've provided glue dots. These are Stampin' Dimensionals to raise them up a little bit. It looks like we have some little sticker sheets here. They're cut into long pieces. I would assume this is to put your boxes together with. And of course, the 2 spools of baker's twine. Then we have all of our fun treat boxes. Now, I'm not going to assemble this for you today. I'll be sure to check out my Facebook page where I'll show you some alternatives. I'll show you them already created. There is a video on the Stampin' Up! Website, well, through Paper Pumpkin. So if you go through YouTube, Stampin' Up! And just check out Paper Pumpkin, you will find a video on how to put this together. So look at these little things punch out, and I'm telling you, don't throw anything away. Oh, look, they're double-sided, so you can choose either the check design or the stripe design, depending on what you want. These would be super fun for Thanksgiving at the table setting. One for every one of your guests that are attending, with maybe just a little chocolate treat inside, or, some sort of cookie or something. So let's check out the size of these. These are very simple to put together, just like that. Well, let's just grab some glue and let's put one together quick, like, right? It won't take very long. I just use my what we call green glue, aka Tombow glue, and just gonna do a little visual for you. I'm just gonna press that. I would assume the well, maybe I need something a little stronger than that, or I didn't put enough. Should have used the tape that they give me. Yep, let's just do that. Having one of those days, you have those days. Oh, this side. Well, we know this is 3M tape. One of those days where, if it can go wrong, it does. Yep, that's today. All right, so now we're going to do it the proper way using the little adhesive strip that was provided. And this should work a lot better. The green glue is good. It's great for card making. I wouldn't really recommend it for 3D projects. Okay. It looks like these have little score marks. So let's see. I recall how a little cracker goes together. Do they go in? Yeah, oh, they go in, I think. So you would put them in. Just kind of pushing on it. Oh, look, they can go like that. Oh, look how fun is that? That's fun. See, I'm telling you. But really, it should go like this, and then you probably use the twine on there to put it together. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, you probably could make it like more square. If you wanted to make it a little bit smaller, you can make it smaller like that. But I don't know about you, but in my family, we like big treats. So I'm going to leave it big. So how cute. And then you would decorate it to however you want to do it. So you have 20 of those, which that's a lot there. 20 is quite a lot. You figure the kit is only $22, right? So the stamp set, ink pad, 20 treat boxes, embellishments. Here we go. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we have some little black cats. So these are going to be fun. Now, if you want to make your cat another color, turn it over and use a little spot on there. Here his little eyeball pops out. I could already see that. Easier to see on the other side than this side. There we go. The little eyeball will pop out. So cute. We have 2 sheets of those. Then we have a sheet of, I'm going to pump these out because you probably can't see, little lace rectangles. How fun are they? And these are like little curly cues. I'm already thinking shaker card when I see these little curly cues. And on the back of these are white, so make them any color you want. So we have 2 sheets of those. Then we have quite a few sheets of these. We have little flowers. Let's move this aside, a little flower. We have leaves. So, I mean, you could see how many are here. And even this that's left over, I mean, we're going to do something with that too. We don't like to throw anything away. Any of you that are crafters out there, you know what I'm talking about. Us crafters, we just make something out of everything. So look at all these cute little leaves. And there was that one that had gotten away. I'll have to find him later in the little bunch. But I'll punch another one out for you to see. So look at all the fun little leaves. These and those little curly cues make great shaker cards. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of those. Now these are probably hard to see, but these are little tags. All kinds of little tags. We have flag tags, that's hard to say. We have some cute little scalloped stitched tags. We also have, these are the same, okay, so those. Then we have some little white flowers, and again, make them any color you want. There's large ones, there's ones that are a little bit smaller. So make, you know, use your Stampin' Blends, your inks, anything you like. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. Wow, there is a lot in here of all these cute little tags, pumpkins, and then these are little flowers. Let me punch it out. May be difficult to see. And they all have a little hole in the center. So you can put a cute little embellishment in the center. Look how pretty that is. 4 sheets of those. I mean, really, tons of stuff. Then, I mean, we're not done yet. We have these cute little flowers. Looks like cinnamon cider. I'm going to think this is bumblebee. Those cute little flowers. And look at how cute we have witches' hats. So these punch out. Cute little witch hats. I bet they'd be cute on the pumpkins. Could probably stick it right up on top of that pumpkin. See, I'm already thinking. Then we're not done. We have more sheets of curly cues. We have the cinnamon cider. And I'm going to think this one is Mossy Meadow. We have those. Cute. And then we have even more. We have 2 more sheets with the lacy rectangles, more curly cues, and a piece of fabulous chipboard. Really. And then here we have our instructions. So again, you can go online to YouTube, check out Paper Pumpkin. There'll be a video to show you how to put it together. But there's step-by-step instructions right here to help you put it together. Along the bottom, they have provided this nice ruler. So if you have to measure your twine, you can do that. And then on the back, here we have some more fabulous projects using the kit. And tells you exactly everything in here. And let's check how I was on the colors. Basic black, bumblebee, Cajun craze, cinnamon cider, mossy meadow, old olive. Oh, I was wrong with that. Pumpkin pie and white. And here are more places you can go to for more inspiration on how to use your Paper Pumpkin kit. So if treat boxes aren't your thing, look at the fun ideas they did here. And here's a little shaker box card. It looks like a card. I'm going to say shaker card. Look how cute that is. And look at the hat. Can you see the hat? It's not black. So they turned it over and they colored it. And I mean, sky's the limit. Such fun, great ideas, little treat boxes for the kiddos in school, for your neighbors, for coworkers, just a little treat maybe for the UPS man or woman or post office people at the grocery store. Just carry a bunch of these in your purse and just a little thank you to show how much you care for everything that they've done for you, especially during this time. So thanks again for joining me. I truly appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to spend a little bit with me. Be sure to come back soon. And like I said, hit the subscribe button and I will be back to create some fun projects to share with you with alternative ideas. So thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day and we'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.